let's learn English from basic. In today's video, we will learn about kitchen utensils name. Actually, middle class kitchen utensils name. Trust me guys, if you don't have any knowledge about it, then you will going to be a master in it after watching this full video. So guys, as you can see, this is my kitchen, and don't judge me guys, because I belong to a very lower middle class family. So this is my kitchen and I like it. So now let's start learning. This is called kitchen counter. We use kitchen counter for keeping things. This is called kitchen counter. We use kitchen counter for keeping things. Let's talk about this. This is gas stove. I use my gas stove for cooking. This is gas stove. Guys, this is called gas stove in English. Stove. Gas stove. I use my gas stove for cooking. I cook my food on gas stove. This is called gas stove knob. It is used to regulate the flame of burner. This is used to regulate the flame. We use gas stove knob to regulate a burner flame. This is called burner guys. This is called burner. Here is the gas cylinder. As you can see, it is used for cooking food. Gas cylinder is used for cooking food. There are LPG gas cylinder. Gas cylinder is connected to the stove with this pipe. This is gas stove and this is called gas cylinder. You should perfectly know about the difference. Now let's talk about plate. This is called plate. We use plate for eating food. And this is bowl. As you can say, this is bowl. This is called bowl. And here is a tawa guys. Actually, tawa is a Hindi word, but this is called tawa in English also. And here is a dish rack. This is called dish rack. Dish rack is used to keep dishes. This is called dishes and this is called dish rack. Dish rack is used to holding utensils. As you can see, all the utensils are kept in it. This is called dish rack. And this is called rolling board. We use rolling board for making chapatis. This is wooden rolling board. And this is rolling pin. I have 2 rolling pins in my kitchen. And I have also 2 rolling boards. One made up of wood and second made up of marble. I have 2 pair of rolling board and rolling pin. Oh guys. Now let's talk about the cutlery. Do you know what cutlery is? This is called cutlery. Cutlery refers to those items we use for eating, like a spoon, fork, knife. And this is called pressure cooker. Pressure cooker is on the stove. We can say these type of sentences in our kitchen. Pressure cooker is on stove. Pot is on stove. This is whistle of pressure cooker. If the pressure cooker is whistling, we can say pressure cooker is whistling. This is called handle of pressure cooker. Now let's remove pressure cooker from stove. I removed pressure cooker from stove. Now let's talk about sieve. This is called sieve and this is also called strainer. We use strainer to separate fine particle from liquid, like tea. Straining is the separation of solids from liquids. I hope you are understanding guys what I am trying to teach you. Let's talk about ladle. This is called ladle. Ladle is used to serve liquid things. I know this is very dirty because it's being used. Now let's talk about slotted spoon. It is called slotted spoon guys. Here it is slotted spoon hanging here. It's great for deep frying puris because slot lets drain away excess oil. This is steel stainless plates, as you can see. This is a small glass, cup size glass, and small plates to serve breakfast like things. And now let's talk about a very important thing, grinding stone and pestle. This is called pestle and this is called grinding stone. Grinding stone and pestle together, it used to grind masalas that we use to make spicy food. Here is a tong, guys. This is called tong. Tong is used to hold and gripping hot items without touching them. This is called tong. Let's talk about this. This is called yoke. Yoke. This is called yoke. Yoke is a round cooking pan we use for frying food. Now let's talk about this. This is called mortar and pestle. This is mortar and this is pestle. We use mortar and pestle to grind something.